For the next week, get Anthony's favorite products for hair growth at 25% off. Our Strengthen Lunar Package restores and strengthens the hair and scalp while discouraging breakage and promoting healthy revitalization. This package will help to bring strength to the root, follicle, and bulb of the hair with our Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo to boost blood flow and stimulate the scalp. Also included in our Strengthen package is our Zen Detox Hair and Scalp Mask, a powerful blend of natural ingredients that removes buildup and toxins from your hair and scalp, leaving your hair feeling clean and refreshed. Our Diamond Crystal Mist is a lightweight conditioner that contains highly energized liquid crystals from the Himalayan Mountains of India, as well as natural herbs and rare oils. Our Scalp Massager and Invigorator is a perfect tool to promote healthy hair growth. Its unique design stimulates blood flow to your scalp, promoting circulation and encouraging new hair growth. Finally, we have the God and Goddess Hair Restoring Elixir Set. This set of 4 elixirs is specifically designed to promote hair growth, repair damaged hair, and nourish your scalp for healthy, beautiful hair. At Morrocco Method, we believe that healthy hair starts with natural ingredients. That's why all of our products are made with the finest organic ingredients, free of harmful chemicals and synthetic fragrances. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this amazing sale and give your hair the love it deserves. Visit our website now to shop Anthony's favorite hair growth products at 25% off.